everyone. Welcome to Adya's News channel. I am Kusumita and today I am here to broadcast the news. So first we have Kushi with political news.
Hello everyone, this is Kushi presenting political news. Ahead of Punjab Assembly session, 23 MLAs test positive for COVID-19. Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe says he is resigning after chronic health issues. Pak's new map shows Kashmir as its part. India terms it an exercise in political absurdity. Nearly 37% of those killed in encounter by UP police in past 3 years are Muslims. Turkey President makes final push on referendum to tighten his grip on the country. Supreme Court declines permission for Muharram processions across India. Delhi High Court stays insolvency resolution proceedings against Anil Ambani. OIC placed communal card in Hyderabad says don't get close to Modi, BJP. Wife of colonel who died for India in Galwan appointed deputy collector. Child rights activist Achyuta Rao dies of COVID-19 in Hyderabad hospital. Delhi Congress leaders detained while stacking stir against holding of JEE NEET 2020 exams. BJP's attitude towards students devoid of humanity. Achilles Slum Center over JEE NEET exams. Dismissal of hate speech case against BJP MP's unfair judicial process. UP CM calls for invoking NSA against Lakshmipur Keri rape, murder assured. Sonia Gandhi sends out message to letter writers with key appointments ahead of monsoon session. BJP Gorakhpur MLA gets show cause notice for social media post malgaining party image. CPM targets government over act of remark on GST revenue shortfall. COVID-19 can't be ground for postponement of Bihar Assembly election said by Supreme Court. Republican National Convention becomes a celebration of Trump. Donald Trump challenges Joe Biden to take drug test before presidential debate. Stay tuned till the next news. Now I'm handing over this to broadcaster.
Thank you Kushi, that was a great news. Now let us know a bit about business. Yeah, exactly, economic news by Preeti.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Economic Times with the business news. Walmart joins Microsoft bid for social media company TikTok. China's ByteDance declares to shut down TikTok app in the US. Air India privatization contradicts its principle, which may result in the job loss of their employees. Flipkart approaches the Supreme Court challenging NCLAT. The telcos to lose its 2G subscribers. The central and state need to get real on GST as they battle for compensation. An offer dispensed by Vijay Mallya to banks and others to settle with rupees 14,000 crore liabilities. Industries to be played a larger role in the defense impulsed by the PM Narendra Modi. Price drop announced by IKEA in India in order to attract the customers during this pandemic. A nuclear energy venture founded by Bill Gates that supplies electricity through the scattered sources like solar and wind power. Bajaj Alliance Managing Director declares that digital aided them during this lockdown. Virtual meeting held by Piyush Goyal with the industry ministers of states and union territory administrations. Delhi's bull market finds rise in the price of gold and silver. 106 Chinese apps has been banned in India, which includes TikTok and UC browser. NMDC's 55% of profit drops due to COVID-19's outbreak. Gujarat followed by Odisha's land banks, facilitating the availability of land in the states. Fastest SUV RSQ8 launched by Audi in India, starting price from rupees 2.07 crores. World Bank declares to pause the publication of Doing Business Index due to data irregularities. For Dharavi redevelopment project, Maharashtra government ponders inviting new bids. Forecasting that the growth of India this time is going to be utmost ticklish. That's all for today. Stay tuned with Adya News channel in order to get the latest business and economic news. Now I hand this over to the broadcaster.
Thanks for the informative news, Preeti. Before we get into the next news, let us take a short break and go through one of the advertisements which our Adyans have made. Welcome back to Adya's news channel. Hope you have enjoyed the advertisement. Now we have Ascharya with sports and weather updates.
Welcome to Sports News. Lionel Messi, Manchester City, agreed terms for shocking transfer on personal terms for the Barcelona legend will leave for the first time in his professional career. New York organizers of ATP Western and Southern Open in New York said Wednesday the tournament will be suspended till Friday following. In statement that just came, star single player Naomi Osaka withdrew from the scheduled semi-finals organized said that games set for Thursday would be postponed. Breaking news. One of India's biggest cricket heroes, MS Dhoni, has brought the curtains down on Saturday. His decision on to retire the almost 16 years of golden run. Weather report. Delhi could also receive moderate rains on Thursday. Predictions of heavy rains made by Weather Department for several regions including North and South in central India. Widespread and heavy rains in likely over north of India and along coast. Home weather. Mercury remained above normal limits in several parts of North India, leading to heat wave in some areas of Rajasthan today. Even as IMD announced that monsoons will hit national capital in less than a week from now. That's it for today. This is Ascharya. Stay tuned.
Thank you, Ascharya. Next we have Snigdha with some interesting news about our college Adya.
Hello everyone, I am Snigdha here with you, Miss Adya in-house informer. Are you one of a kind? Well, so is Adya, just as distinctive as you. Then why go anywhere else? Join Adya. Admissions open for both inter and degree students. Online classes starting from September 1st. Inspiring innovation is our tradition. Thinkers, dreamers, doers. We redefine the possible. Then what are you waiting for? Enroll now and register for admissions at Adya, connecting academics with industry. Do you know, Adya has participated in Telangana Ku Haritaharam program on 24th July. All the teachers, students took part by planting a sapling or sowing a seed in their home or locality. As rightly said, plant trees and get oxygen for free. Let us all take a stand to protect Mother Nature and plant more trees for a healthy and safe future. Coming to the updates on Independence Day. Even in these difficult times of COVID-19, ensuring that the fervor of patriotism lives on, Adya has organized programs with a virtual twist. All the teachers and students celebrated the occasion with true spirit of patriotism. The day was dotted with the flag hoisting ceremony, cultural programs, quiz competition. Students also took part in singing, dancing, speech giving and drawing with great enthusiasm. Not only Independence Day, festivals too at Adya are celebrated with great devotion and ardor. Ganesh Chaturthi this year was celebrated with immense faith and wholeheartedness. Do you know? Students have set up pandals decked up with the idols of Lord Ganesha, the god of wisdom, good fortune and prosperity. Everyone offered prayers and exchanged their heartfelt and warm wishes. Well, that's all I have for you in this edition. The news and updates continue on Adya News channel. Stay safe, stay tuned.
Wow, that was a great news about our college. Thank you, Snigdha. Now let us take a short break.
नए नए खेल खेले आगे से ले ये सभी सिलसिले उलझे सुलझे टाके हैं यूं बक्सुए लगा के उलझे सुलझे थोड़े हैं हम तुम भी जरा से नए नए खेल खेले आगे से ले ये सभी सिलसिले उलझे सुलझे टाके हैं यूं बक्सुए लगा
Welcome back to Adya's news. Last but not the least, we have Miss Merriman Niharika to share some entertainment news with us.
Everyone, this is Miss Merriment with the latest entertainment news. Kangana Ranaut says Sushant Singh Rajput was killed as he knew some dirty secrets about Bollywood stars. Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh demands security for Kangana Ranaut. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma announced pregnancy on social media and are ready to welcome their baby at January 2021. The first look of cross-border love story starring John Abraham and Aditi Rao Hydari was released. However, the title still remains unknown. Randeep Hooda undergoes leg surgery. Samantha Akineni dubs for the web series The Family Man 2. No news is a good news, says SP Balasubramanian's son on his health updates. Now moving on to movie reviews. Khuda Hafiz is streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. It was released on 29th June 2020. The critic ratings are 2.5 out of 5. The movie is about a newly married couple's life falling in jeopardy when the wife goes missing under mysterious circumstances. The next is Gunjan Saxena, which is streaming on Netflix. It was released on 12th August 2020. The critic ratings are 4 out of 5. It is inspired by the life of the fearless young officer who made history by becoming the first female Air Force officer to fly in a combat zone during the 1999 Kargil War. The next is Class of 83, which is streaming in Netflix. It is released on 21st August 2020. The critic ratings are 3 out of 5. The story of an upright policeman turned trainer whose wards deal with various complexities. Now moving on to upcoming movies. Sadak 2 is an upcoming Indian film directed by Mahesh Bhatt starring Alia Bhatt, Sanjay Dutt and Aditya Roy Kapoor. It is a sequel to the movie Sadak, which was released in 1991. It is to release on 28th August 2020 on digital platform i.e. Disney Plus Hotstar. The next is V, an upcoming Indian Telugu language action thriller film starring Nani, Sudhir Babu, Niveda Thomas and Aditi Rao Hydari. It is set to release on 5th September 2020 on Amazon Prime Video. Thank you. Stay safe till the next time. Now I hand this over to the broadcaster.
Thank you, Niharika. So that's all for today. It's time for us to end up the news. Hope you all have enjoyed the news. Do not forget to follow SMS, that is sanitizer, mask and social distancing. Stay tuned to Adya's News for more updates. Thank you. Signing off, Kusumita.